is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory. Now we're going to talk again, a big topic in town. How do you know when a trend is going to change before the change ever happens? This is what we want to talk about right now. Okay? I know a lot of people don't know when a trend will change before the changes happen and they're caught unaware. Alright? Now, before we start, there's something we're going to do. Let's put some trend line on the chart where the chart has, been proven to have reversed previously. If we're looking at this previous angle, we got something here like a reversal zone. Okay. And then, yep, that happens to be the top of the chart at that period. And let's say we got something around here. We got something around here. Okay, we got something around here. We got reversal around here. And I'm not gonna draw too much lines. Okay, I'm not gonna draw too much lines. And there's something we got around here too. There's something here. Yep, I think this is enough. Okay, and let me feel like, okay, we got something around here. Okay, this is the first step to know or to wait for a reversal. This is the first step. Alright, now look, let me explain it properly. Okay, see, the highest high on this time frame, this is what we got. The price reversed all the way down to the bottom of the chart, which is this one here. Now bounce, okay, bounce back up. Okay, bounce back up, hitting this zone, and then pull back, came back to this lowest low. Okay, currently it came back to this lowest low and playing around this lowest low. On this lowest low, this is the lowest low we ever have from the beginning of the top of that top chart. We got lowest low here. Okay, so from here we've seen price touching and bouncing. We've seen price touch and bounce, but still either came to play around and break it, or still coming back inside it to move up. Now what we'll be thinking when price is approaching this type of line is that, yes, there's likely that there's gonna be a change of trend on this line. Okay, it's likely. Now look at this one, is a big full-bodied Gatling, talking about a change of trend, and that's why price is going back inside. Now what we do, for the sake of next time, when pick a trend line, put it right here for the sake of next time. Okay, because the price has now bounced on this and pulled back reverse, then this line here has become a very important zone. It has become a strong support. So this price is going up now to get to which level? I think it's coming back here. Okay, it's coming back here. Okay, the price will break a line, retest it, come back, has the opportunity to go back and get to a kind of neck, a neckline around here, which it has not done. This is neckline. It has not done this thing. Alright, so definitely this price is coming back from this zone to come around this neckline. See, this is how to read the price. This is how to read the chart about reversal. And after doing that, after getting to this neckline here, it will come back to do what? Maybe to retest this one, or to have a bounce back up on this one. Now, this is a professional way of talking about how the trend will change. Okay, maybe a lot of people don't know how to draw this type of, this type of trend line to spot some kind of important level. But levels is detected where there is a kind of strong what is it? What is this called? I don't know what this called. Now, consolidation. This zone is consolidation. That is where we have a very strong level. Okay, it's consolidation. Okay, and this level too is consolidation, kind of. This type of levels, price will definitely bounce back. But in a situation, look at consolidation, price will pull back and bounce back. But those are the major consolidation. Okay, but if you want to do this in a very simple way that that any trader can do, like the beginner also can do this one, you see, then you look at the trend, where is it going currently, then you put a trend line like this on it and say, okay, all right, you do the trend line like this. It's okay. When our trend line, this trend line, when this trend line is broken, so you can see that the trend line we drew got broken. Okay, and then the trend has changed. So see, even the trend changed from here, bounce here, still went back to hit the lowest low. But the point is, look, the point is, it has changed from here, regardless of what it is doing. Look, even if it pulls back, pulling back to the lowest low, where it will bounce up. Look, if you want to repeat this again, you look at where it started from, pull a trend line on it again. It's okay. If our trend line is broken, then we are going up again. And when we break the trend line, we're touching the next level of pullback, which is this line here. Have you seen it? Now here, when this line is broken, where are we gonna go touch? We're gonna go touch the next level of pullback right here, that same spot. Do you see this? Do you see this? Now, you see, this kind of trend line, this one I'm touching here, okay, this kind of trend line is a trend line that shows you about, the price has broken the trend line. But then, how are you going to know this trend, where is it going to change from? This is why this kind of what is this again, what is this called, man? Consolidation area that represent a strong zone of reversal is very important, because you will be able to use this type to know where to take your profit and leave. Okay, now look, let's take a look at this. Okay, because this trend have started from here and end up on this zone right here, and now I put a line saying that, okay, if this line is broken, then I'm going up. Okay, we're going up. We're not just going up, but still we know exactly where we're going to exit, which is around this trend line right here. You see this? So it is not enough to know where the trend is going, but to also know where is it going to end. So where it's going to end is going to be around all this consolidation. strong major consolidation. Okay, so this type of thing, to know it, if you don't okay, look, let's do one more thing. While this one was going up, what did it do? It broke the trend line from somewhere right here. It pulled back down. Look, it came back to a line of reversal and it shoot back to the upside. Don't you see? All this shoot back is a big profit for somebody. It's almost 100 pips shoot back. Okay? When you put a line like this and you are able to get target of almost 200 to 300 pips. Okay? Okay? Great. And you see that, okay, this is sitting on a reversal line. Okay? The trend might have end, and then you what? You put another small trend line right here, and you say, okay, it has end. Let it come and break this trend line right now. Look, it broke the trend line. You got 100 pips. You are off. Okay? 100 pips. You are off. Okay? But look at this. It continues its journey to the down, sitting on a reversal zone. Now, you put this one. You put this one. Where is it going? If it breaks this trend line, it is going here. You see? Let's make it simple. Okay? We're gonna make it simple, man. We are not gonna make it difficult like greedy trading style. I want to make it the major trading style. You put a trend line right here from the high to the low. Now it broke this thing. You buying it. You know exactly where it's gonna get, which is this consolidation area. You are out. Yes, you are out. Okay, then you can put another wood, get a sell. Where is it going? It's coming back to this zone, which it got 300 pips. Then from here, maybe broke this one. That's not a problem, but we know it's going up. It came to play on the low, the lowest low. Now it's shooting back up to break this, your trend line that you have drawn all the way through this zone. It's going to break it. Break it to do what? To do what? To go up to this level. Okay? So this is how you know if a trend is going to change. And this is why I do squeeze my chart when I'm doing my analysis. Alright? And this is why when I'm doing my analysis, I don't use any kind of indicators. Alright? I only love using naked chart when I'm doing my analysis, as you can see. Because it gives me the price in its own natural style and natural behavior. You understand? Then the final way to know a trend is going to change, after drawing your levels, this type of levels, and you wait in patience, and you have seen this big M shape. So M shape, the M shape changes the trend. This is M1. Boom. Changes the trend for you. The final leg did not touch the last line. Changes the trend. It's going up. That is one example. Okay. The second example from where we drew this thing. Let's go. Change of trend. Okay. I think my chart is freezing up, but that is how you know how a trend is changing. So thank you so much.